Right management has been working for several years with the leader in the global energy market, where a successful culture of safety is critical to drive growth and ensure all employees go home safely at the end of the day. The client maintains excellent facilities, equipment, and systems to sustain safe operations. However, they also understand that their technical brilliance was not sufficient to engage employees in the ways required for continuous improvement. They needed to focus on building a safety culture, knowing that the ultimate success is found in culture. Culture drives behaviors, and behaviors drive performance. The client also recognized that this culture would need to be built and sustained internally, residing in the hearts and minds of their people. The objective was to build this culture, knowing it had to start with leadership. In order to sufficiently address the hearts and minds of leaders necessary to build and sustain a safety culture, the client turned to Right Management's innovative, experiential learning expertise to make a safety culture relevant and personal for all participants. Right Management designed an approach that involves more experiential, participant-led learning, which create realistic reenactments of typical behavior that our facilitators and coaches and peers can address in the here and now. The solutions offered by Right Management to address the needs of this client include 2 interconnected global leadership development programs for safety, culture, and leadership, an advanced program targeted for executives, and a second program targeted for managers and supervisors. The objectives of the programs were to develop leaders who understand and model the behaviors that define the desired safety culture, unleash the wisdom of current leaders and equip them to become champions of the desired safety culture, allow the opportunity to share inspiring, heartfelt stories of their own personal journeys related to safety, prepare leaders to champion corporate safety methodology and processes. Our facilitators are now mobilized quickly to manage this client's demanding global schedules, including multiple locations and concurrent sessions on aggressive timeframes. Right Management delivers these programs to leaders across the globe, including Eastern and Western Canada, North and South Asia, Europe, Australia, Africa, and the United States. We deploy local consultants and coaches from Canada, the United States, Europe, and Singapore to regional training hubs. Executive level program, the Inspirational Safety Leader. The specific objectives of this program for executives at this client are to improve safety performance by enhancing the effectiveness of safety communications from leaders, help make it personal and inspirational, positively impact the behaviors and culture of the organization. In the Inspirational Safety Leader Program, facilitators model and guide leaders in demonstrating critical characteristics as they practice delivering safety messages and stories. Inspiration through authenticity, tone, and presence. Connection with others through emotional awareness. Personal relevance for their audience. Impact with respect to desired behavior and performance. Storytelling methods and skills form a key foundation of the program and require a particular facilitation expertise and skill set from the Right Management facilitators, much more so than even traditional leader development programs because of the way that facilitators have to work with highly emergent data from participants, building on what participants create in the moment. The program draws on personal experience, practice, feedback, and self-reflection. Coaching of the leaders before and during the learning experience creates a heightened sense of authenticity and an understanding of their emotional impact on others. Right Management utilizes carefully selected consultants with relevant experience and inspirational leadership. During the sessions, our facilitators create an environment where participants are willing to show behavior rather than talk about behavior, so they receive in-the-moment feedback. Coaching timeouts for reflection and self-awareness are used, followed by time-ins to apply the learning real time. The program integrates lessons from neuroscience in the way stories shape behavior, the impact of risk tolerance, challenging conversations, and the use of inspirational storytelling as a tool for shaping behavior. To date, hundreds of executives across the globe, Americas, Asia Pacific, Europe, Middle East, and Africa, have experienced the program. Through an ongoing measurement system, the client reports outstanding results on the application to the job, improved performance, and worthwhile investment in career development. Manager-level program, the Business Challenge Experience. Participants engage in activities as part of a business team brought together to address an underperforming unit. Their assignment is to develop recommendations to recover the unit and to engage the employees to put it back on a path toward acceptable and sustained safety and environmental performance. They apply their learning in real time, give and receive valuable, transformative feedback, and practice organization-critical leadership behaviors. The program is both an activity in diagnosing and developing plans to improve an underperforming business unit and an opportunity to explore the issues faced as an individual leader or team member back home on the real job. It's a unique opportunity to set learning goals and try out new behaviors in a safe but real setting prior to going back to a work location. Our facilitators coach each person on their roles within the experience and how these experiences can be used to maximize learning. These roles are then rotated during the program so participants gain maximum exposure to learning opportunities and applying new skills. These roles include the experienced leadership team member who's responsible for leading the learning experience and the completion of the assigned project deliverables within the experience itself. Project team leads are responsible for managing their respective project teams, producing the deliverables assigned to them, setting the pace and culture within their team, communicating with the simulation leadership team, participating in other activities as requested. Project team members complete the deliverables and participate in other activities as directed. And learning managers. One member of each team will be assigned the role of learning manager and is responsible for coaching other team members on their learning goals. The experience is designed to create as many learning opportunities as possible. For example, interim and final presentations are integrated so that participants can receive feedback on executive presence. Additionally, our facilitators provide peer feedback circles so that teams build trust through transparency, and members improve their skills in giving and receiving feedback. Structured moments for reflection on personal impact to promote mindfulness and self-awareness. Real-time coaching on team dynamics and effectiveness. Follow-up impact studies conducted 6 to 12 months after participants have completed the program report the following results. 95% reported that the program had improved their ability to be an effective safety leader. 95% reported that the program was a worthwhile investment in their career development. 90% reported that the program had a significant impact on increasing their personal effectiveness, leading to business results. Participant feedback has been consistently outstanding. 5 years after initially piloting the program with this client, Right Management continues to deliver both of these programs to more than 700 leaders around the globe, with continued positive results and return on investment for the client.